Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon labeled Settings in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see App Appearance listed among Account Settings options. If you see App Appearance, tap it and choose Light to disable dark mode for Snapchat. This method applies to recent Snapchat versions on iOS and Android where the built-in theme control exists. Follow the next slide if App Appearance is not available in your settings. If App Appearance exists, tap App Appearance, then select Light to force Snapchat to use light mode. Snapchat will immediately update and show the light interface while you stay signed in. If App Appearance is absent, change the iPhone system appearance in settings to light to affect compatible apps. Open iPhone settings, then display and brightness, and choose light to disable system dark mode. Many apps follow system settings, so this option will remove dark themes across multiple applications. On Android, Snapchat usually follows the system theme unless App Appearance overrides it. Open Android settings, go to Display, then Theme, and select Light to remove dark mode across apps. If that does not work, check Snapchat settings for App Appearance and choose Light there. You can also force light mode using per-app display options on some Android skins. As a last resort, uninstall recent Snapchat updates and reinstall the app to return default theme behavior if a bug caused.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.